To alleviate shrink in its stores, HEB partnered with BIC to create a unique method of selling BIC lighters. The company selected Dual Corporation to print 2 sizes of a lighter card to replace the actual 2-pack and 4-pack lighters on the displays. The flat, peggable replica was digitally printed to closely match BIC's colors and styles. There is a statement written on the placards instructing customers to hand the card to the cashier to purchase the lighters. The reusable cards are printed on both sides of our durable OPP XT material. This material and the printing is designed to stay attractive no matter how often the cards are handled. Initial tests of the program found the stores were able to maintain solid sales performances while helping to reduce shrink.